Well, guys, you can tell that's a real mat, and I purchased some really cool pieces, and these are gonna organize the space. And I wanted to add a little bit of warmth with the color, so that is the main reason why we have this cute boxes. They're pretty solid and they have bones. Then I have this really cute gold metal type of plate. It's gonna be for my fragrances. And then I have final marble piece with gold details on the sides. That's gonna be for the rest of my mess. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here, and I want to make sure that the biggest ones are gonna stay right here, and the smallest ones, they're gonna get right here. I have a lot of conditioners and hair products. That is the main reason why I want to organize them. We're pretty done with my hair products and any sorts of creams, moisturizers. Now I'm gonna move to my fragrances, and I really want to put this next to this shelves. And then this is gonna be with a gold metal. I have some fingerprints. I have a lot of fragrances. Well, Tom Ford, a lot of them actually are from Tom Ford, and these are not all originals, okay? Some of these products are super expensive, so I purchased a copy, and it's really good. I want to move to a little bit different part. It's going to be in this type of boxes, and I was thinking to probably get this size box or maybe this size, but it's probably too small, and that is the reason why we're just going to try to match which one is going to be better fit for the rest of my stuff. I have this Canola Crazy Cleansing Oil, and I showed this on my channel, and this La Roche-Posay foam. So these are going here, and then I will probably add this brush. It's so good to make sure that you don't really have a lot of cellulite, though I'm not really sure it works. I have these whenever you wash off your makeup, it's not going to drip to your t-shirt, or you're not going to get wet because it's going to soak the water. This is Himalaya Scrub for face. I use it sometimes. And finally, this is the razor. I think that's it. I would probably keep my husband's razor in the shelf like that. Looks good. I have 2 more containers. These containers are very handy if you have some cupid tips. These are going to be perfect for that. So look at that. Aesthetically pleasing shelf. I really love it. It's really pretty, and everything has its own place. Right there, up there, we have books, some of our books. I have something in Russian, in English. Some of my Chinese books are in a little bit different place. I mean, we don't really have a lot of space to put it all there, but it has some place. And I guess this box is going to be for my husband, and for this box, I guess we're going to find some other place. Yesterday, we purchased a new rug, and it's going to be in between the working space, my desk, and then some space where we have the rest of the stuff. Some underwear, whatever. I love this rug. It's a little bit dark, but yeah, I love it. So far, so good. So now we're moving to my wardrobe. It's probably in place more or less. I want to clean this area, and in the way, I just want to hide it with a curtain. This is a curtain. I found this super cool hack from Pinterest where you can glue around with a pistol glue, I guess it's called this way, some fabric, and I actually purchased one from China, and it was extremely inexpensive, as well as the lamp was inexpensive, but I love the final result. What you have to do is to measure your fabric around your lamp, and then just layer by layer add some of this fabric on top of the other one. To make sure that it's not going to be on the way, the previous layer, you just have to flip your lamp, and it's going to look so much better if you have a vision where to glue this to. Guys, I want to decorate this bedside table. I think it's missing a little bit of wallpaper. I want to glue this to the bedside table. I was thinking maybe yeah, I'm gonna add this to the first and second drawers, create a frame around it. So what I'm gonna do is take this piece of my wallpaper, make sure that it's more or less even, and then I'm gonna cut this out, and we need 4 pieces in total of this wallpaper because we're gonna glue this to the bedside table. And don't worry if it's not perfect because, well, it's gonna be covered with this type of frame. I use my regular glue for wallpaper, and at first I added too much glue to my water, and all this time I was stirring the water because if you don't, you're gonna have a lot of small knots and it's not gonna look good. I added a little bit more water because it was too much and it was too gluey, and evenly spread it over my pieces with wallpaper. Then when I was more or less ready with 4 of my pieces, I started with the glue on top of my drawers. It's super easy, guys. I showed you this wallpaper trick, I guess, when we did this on the ceiling. What you have to do is just start from the center of your wallpaper, and then you have to take as much glue as possible underneath your wallpaper because you're gonna end up with a lot of, I guess, bubbles inside. So you have to start again from the center to the ends, and that's it. It's super, super simple. It is so much handier to use spatula, but if you don't have it, don't worry. Any piece of, I don't know, fabric is going to work for you. So this is the before, and this is after. Then we were up to some frames. It's not so hard. We used glue and this wooden frames. That's it. Guys, this is the final result. I really love it. We were thinking to add some door dots, but it looks too much. I mentioned once that I wanted to add more handles to the bedside tables, but then it was too much. That's why my husband and I, we decided that we wanted to add them in the center of our drawers with some underwear, and I love how it turned out. It gives so much more character to these IKEA drawers that, well, cool. You need to measure the drawers, and precisely in the center of them, you have to use rule, and then that's it. It's super easy. We used the same technique with mirror frames as we did for the doors. The only difference is that these ones are painted. The previous were not. One of the last pieces that we're up to is to glue on my paintings. I had a lot of abstract paintings. I had some other paintings with cats, but it turned out nice. I mean, I can't say I'm the best painter ever, but I can say that it just turned out horrible. It's fine. For me and my husband, I guess, it's more than fine. And that's pretty much it, almost it. Stay tuned. We're up to the final section. I feel like this place is a total mess because we have all the paintings in place, and I'll show you guys this small problematic tutorial how we were hanging the paintings. But I purchased this linen fabric. This is probably linen with a little bit of cotton. I don't really know. And now what I really want to do with that is to spread it evenly. I didn't like the chaotic way it was spreaded. That is the main reason why I'm going to be going with my old routine and technique. I guess the great suggestion is going to be some plywood or maybe real wood and you will top it, but I mean, it takes time, it takes energy and money. Yeah, it's gonna cost you more than a linen piece of fabric. Let's start decorating. This is the lamp we were doing, and I love this lamp right here. I feel like it's just really nice touch to the paintings, and I just love it. Then I was thinking that maybe a vase. I don't know, these dry pieces. And then this is place where I keep all my jewelries. This is a box of jewelry, my chest of jewelries. And then I have this super cute tray, or I don't know, it's like a small table, but it's basically like a tray. And I want to put it right here. I feel like maybe here, or maybe I'm gonna move it a little bit to my right. And these are very cute pieces for my candles. This part and one's for this part. Should we get these here or get it back? It's missing a little bit of light. The one I used to have over my wall. Final piece. This is a steamer. It's really cute. When you turn it on, you can add some essential oils in this water, and the fragrance is amazing. If you hold it a little bit longer, then it's going to give you additional light, which is extremely romantic when it's evening time. I guess that's basically it. And I guess it's showtime. I'm going to show you my room. I'm going to finally show you the tour of the room. It's complete and seen.